everybody. We are once again painting with a twist, and we're coming at you live to share some techniques that are going to make for a really beautiful starry sky. This is a splatter technique. I'm also going to show you another technique to add some bigger stars later, but you can see we've got our examples with the child over here. We've got lots and lots of texture for that galaxy, but right over here we also have a nice little landscape. And you can see, once again, just beautiful, beautiful, starry, splattery skies. Okay, now at home, this can get a little messy. So what we're doing is encouraging you to maybe do this outside or in your garage, for example, somewhere where you might be able to get a little messier than your kitchen table, for example. And so I've actually got my painting just set up already right down here on the floor, which will be more similar to probably what you have set up at home. Now, today I'm actually going to be using dirty paint water, because I want to show you that you really don't need to have perfectly clean water for this. Now, usually people want to use too much paint, so too much of the white by itself, and what that's going to do is give you big Jackson Pollock splatters. Now, if that's what you're going for, you go for it. But if you want that nice kind of sprinkly starry sky, what you want to do is take some of that dirty paint water. So once again, you can see I'm just putting that right there on my palette here, and I'm just going to mix a little bit of white into that. Okay, so what you're going for is something that's kind of a cream consistency, like heavy cream or ink, something like that. You can see it's loose, it's thin, but it's not dripping. If it's too thin, you might even get drips on your canvas. Now you avoid a little bit of that by doing this on a flat surface. So don't be too worried about getting it too thin as long as your canvas is flat. But again, you're just going for something kind of like a cream consistency. Now I'm getting that brush loaded up. It's not dripping, but I have plenty of that thin down paint here. What you're gonna do is hold your brush parallel to your canvas. Take your other hand, you're gonna pull back on your bristles, okay? And so you can see this is a very, very easy way to add stars all over your painting, all throughout your sky. The harder you pull, the more intense your stars are gonna be. The lighter you are, the more kind of delicate they will be, okay? But you can just go and go and go forever, okay? Now, very, very easy. Now, with your other brush, we have a small brush. Everybody gets a small brush in their kit. An easy way to add some larger stars or maybe some distant planets in here is to take just the handle of your brush with a little bit of white. Okay, so once again, not the bristles, but we're just gonna use the handle, okay? It's not cheating, it's problem solving, okay? So we're just gonna take that handle and you just wanna go straight up, straight down. Okay, you can see this is going to make for some nice bright stars. You want to just space those out. Some can be close together, some can be far apart, but it's a nice way to just kind of brighten up your sky. Very, very simple, just straight up, straight down with just the handle of your brush, okay? So that's so easy. I hope you guys really enjoy this technique at home. Again, make sure you maybe go outside for this because it can get a little messy, okay? Now, so we are doing to-go kits. Once again, these are really, really fun. Obviously at this time of social distancing, we still want you guys to paint and have fun and have a creative outlet and do something fun with your family and friends. So we're bringing that painting to your home. So what we're doing is working with our sister studio, Pottery by You. So you're gonna go to potterybyu.com and check out the to-go paint kits. Okay, we've got dozens of options on there and we're expanding every week. We've got more and more paintings coming. And so in those kits, you can kind of see, we have a little option over here. You get a little bag with everything you need, and they're really, really fun, okay? So just go check us out, enjoy some splatter, get a little messy, relax, drink some wine, turn on some music, have a little me time in this time of craziness. Thanks for joining us.